Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you CodeDex 3, the fully SaaS support solution. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard. So it's a message. You can see minute and second, then total chats, total message, total feedback, total visitors, total ticket open, then away replay, then soft close, calendar. Another option is support. See all support information. Total ticket open away, same pattern. You can see support ticket, see detail, you can set up, then chat history, contact message, then content solution, it's blog, FAQ, CMS, answer, components, file, response, auto tip, then chatbot, and buttons, custom field, URL blacklist, public group, chat widget, then status, open visitor, status, logs, then operator, and public chat, user, system settings. If you need it, check the link in the description. For installing help, contact us.